In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile logo to your Gumroad account. Having a clean, recognizable profile image really helps your audience trust that they're in the right place. So let's walk through this together step by step. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account details. Once you're on the main dashboard page, you'll see a menu running down the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that column. There, you'll find your account or profile name. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to all of your personal account settings. After you click your profile name, a small menu or panel will open. From here, choose the option labeled Profile. This takes you to the public-facing side of your Gumroad presence, where you can see what customers see when they visit your profile. On this profile page, look for a small pen or pencil icon. This icon is usually near your name, bio, or existing profile image. The pen icon represents Edit, so click on that to open your profile editing options. Once you're in edit mode, you'll be able to change things like your display name, description, and importantly, your profile image. Now, you might see a default profile icon that Gumroad has given you. To replace it with your own logo, first click on the small bin or trash icon next to that default image. This removes the placeholder so you can upload something that fits your brand. As soon as the default image is removed, you should see an option to upload a new picture. Click on the button labeled Upload. Your computer's file browser will open and you can navigate to the folder where you've saved your logo file. For best results, choose a clear, square, or circular image, ideally high resolution but not too large in file size. Select your logo and confirm the upload. After a moment, your new profile logo should appear in the preview area. Take a quick look to make sure it's centered and looks sharp. If it doesn't look right, you can repeat the upload process with a better version. Once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget the final step. Scroll down and click on Update Settings to save your changes. Without this, your new logo won't be applied. When the page refreshes, your Gumroad profile will now display your updated logo.